Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with DealMachine for off-market leads, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, visit the DealMachine website. Once on the home page, look for the sign up button located at the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to create your account. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in your name, email address, and a secure password. After entering your information, click the Create Account button. You will receive a confirmation email. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. Return to the DealMachine website and log in with your newly created credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Subscriptions section in the navigation menu. Click on Subscriptions to view available plans. Review the options to find the plan that best suits your needs. Follow the prompts to enter your payment information. Double-check all details before confirming your subscription. Click on the Confirm button to finalize your subscription. You will receive a confirmation message once your subscription is successful. Now, you can explore the features available for off-market leads with DealMachine. Take advantage of the tools provided to find valuable properties. Utilize the training resources offered to maximize your subscription benefits. Engage with the community forum for additional insights and support. Start generating off-market leads to enhance your real estate endeavors. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.